Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 24 of your 6-0 Day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to take your English to the next level, not by using difficult words, but by using better expressions. Because real speakers do not just speak English. They express ideas in a smart and natural way. Let me ask you something. Do you sometimes feel that your English is too basic? You can speak, but your sentences feel simple and repetitive. That is normal. But today, we are going to upgrade your speaking style. Today, you will learn how to express the same idea in a better, more natural way. Let's start with a simple example. Instead of saying, I am very happy, you can say, I feel really good, or I'm quite happy about it. Instead of saying, I am very busy, you can say, I've been quite busy lately. These small changes make your English sound more natural and advanced. Now let's go deeper. Use phrases instead of single words. For example, instead of saying, I think, you can say, I feel like, or I would say, instead of saying, I understand, you can say, that makes sense, or I get what you mean. These expressions are used in real conversations. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Upgrade Your Sentence. I will give you a simple sentence, and you improve it. Simple, I am learning English. Better, I'm working on improving my English. Simple, I am tired. Better, I'm a bit tired today. This is how you upgrade your English. Now, your second exercise is use natural reactions. When someone says something, react naturally. For example, that's interesting. That sounds great. I didn't expect that. Or that makes sense. These reactions make your conversation real. Now let's go deeper. Use soft language. Instead of sounding too direct, sound more natural. For example, instead of saying, this is wrong, say, I don't think this is the best way. Instead of saying, I disagree, say, I see your point, but I think differently. This makes your English polite and natural. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone says, I don't have time to learn English. You respond, I understand it can be difficult to manage time, but I feel like even small daily practice can make a big difference. This sounds natural and thoughtful. Now let's move to your third exercise. It is called Expand Smartly. Start with a simple idea, then improve it. For example, I am improving my English becomes, I'm working on improving my English, and I feel like I'm making steady progress. This adds depth to your speaking. And now let me share something important. Advanced English is not about difficult vocabulary. It is about better expression. Even simple words can sound powerful if you use them correctly. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 24. That means your English is growing step by step. You are no longer just speaking. You are expressing, reacting, and connecting. And today, you're learning to sound more polished and natural. That is a big achievement. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about your progress, but use better expressions. Start like this. Lately, I've been working on improving my English. Continue. Add more. Keep your tone natural. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Listen and copy real expressions. When you hear a good phrase, use it in your speaking. This is how you grow faster. Now let's do one final practice. I will give you a simple sentence and you make it better. I am learning every day, you say. I've been learning every day, and I feel like I'm improving. I am not confident. You say, I don't feel very confident yet, but I'm working on it. This is how you upgrade your English. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 24 complete, and this time, write 2 improved sentences using better expressions. Keep it simple, but make it better. This is Laura, and remember, fluency is not about speaking more. It is about expressing better. I'll see you in day 25. Keep going.